Your lifestyle and food directly affects your health and body. ED is a serious problem and there are many herbal treatments to treat this. Food plays an important role in maintaining the body and intake of some food can help you to solve the problem. For eliminating this problem naturally at home, there are 10 natural foods to cure erectile dysfunction. Berries, berry and citrus fruits are one that contains chemicals which help to cure erectile dysfunction, and these chemical reduces the risk of male impotence. Oysters, this is a food which helps to increase the sperm count level in men and it contains zinc in high level which helps in producing the testosterone, the male hormone. This would cure erectile dysfunction as the testosterone level increase by zinc. Red wine, for proper blood flow to genitals and for the relaxation of arteries, this is a great food to treat the problem and to improve the problems and health issues of men. Coffee, as coffee contains caffeine and this give a relaxation to muscles and it maintains the proper blood flow in body which helps to get hard on. Pistachios, to increase the blood flow for getting erection, this food contains protein to relax the blood vessels and also improves the tissue in body. Dark chocolates contain flavonoids which increase the pleasure hormone of body. Watermelons have antioxidant properties and it contains phytonutrients. This will increase your desire and increase the blood flow in body to get long-lasting erections. Tomatoes and grapefruits, for improvement in male health problem and for circulation of blood, tomatoes and pink grapefruits contain lycopene. This nutrient fights with infertility in male and help man get hard at home and provide the maximum benefits. There are also many herbal supplements which you can take along with the foods. One such herbal male impotence treatment is Stherb Butea Superba gel, which is good for making the organs strong and also arouse the desire. This herbal penile erection cream is completely without any side effects to improve the powers in men. You can take it as a long-term solution without causing any harm to body or health. You should try these home remedies, natural foods, and herbal pills that help deal with ED. Hope you like the post. Do comment if you have any query regarding herbal male impotence treatment. You can find more details about Stherb Butea Superba gel at naturogain.com.